How to change username on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner. Then click on the profile picture or icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, click on account, and from the account information section, click on username. And here you will get to this page in which you'll be able to change your username. So go ahead and enter your new username. You can also edit your tag, but you need Nitro to do that. So once you have entered your new username, click on save at the top right corner of the screen. And here Discord will ask you to enter your password as a confirmation. So once you do that, click on done and your username will be changed to the new one. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Discord username. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.